Hi there. So you're editing in Final Cut Pro just like myself, and do you ever in this situation where you have 200 gig storage on your laptop and your footage is only 100 gig, but Final Cut's library takes up everything on your laptop and you just can't edit it any longer and you have to delete and go back and forward? Well, man, that's the most annoying thing ever. So let me show you. I have two simple steps you need to take, and this simple solution will not only save you all the space and your library is going to go to minimum, but also it'll speed up your computer as well. So yeah, let's get to it and waste no time. The first thing you need to do is when you import files into your Final Cut Pro, you need to tick the leave files in place box right here, rather than having to copy everything to the library, because that just makes a second copy for no reason. It's not going to do anything useful to you. The second thing you need to do, and this is the most important one, is you have to open up the Final Cut Pro menu, which is up in the top left, and then you go inside preferences in there, and within that you open up playback, click on it, and then you have the background render on by default, and you have to click on the wee tick box to get rid of it and stop the computer rendering your files continuously. And what it does is it'll speed up your computer first of all, which is super important, and also it's not gonna create anything extra, so you won't have large files created within Final Cut Pro at all. So it saves you space, a lot of space. That library is going to be 0. So I hope it was helpful, guys. If you liked the video and if it was useful, then just support me back with a like and a comment, please. And you can share the video or subscribe if you'd like to. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye, bye, bye.